Now let's move to something more dynamic. Agentic AI is gaining traction across industries. Let's see how agentic automation can be built and run inside Super Protocol.
Let's explore how to build secure, automated AI workflows for processing sensitive medical data using N8N deployed on Super Protocol. By running everything inside TEEs, inaccessible even to server admins or Super Protocol, and combining low-code automation with a decentralized infrastructure, we deliver fully confidential, compliant, and verifiable medical AI. In this demo, we will review a simple use case. A doctor uploads an X-ray image and the patient's personal data using a protected web form. That image, along with metadata, is passed into an automated workflow built with N8N, which runs inside a TEE on Super Protocol. The workflow cleans the input data, invokes an AI model to analyze the X-ray, and generates a structured medical report. That report is then emailed securely to the doctor. Let's take a look at the system in action. We've already deployed N8N on Super Protocol. Once deployed, the platform gives us a secure access link. Opening this URL brings up the N8N user interface. In production, this direct UI access is disabled. Every interaction goes through secure APIs, web forms, etc. We register or log in and enter the N8N dashboard. Instead of building a workflow from scratch, that will take some time. We'll import one that's already been prepared. For the workflow to run, we need to add some credentials in the Credentials tab. API keys to access the AI model deployed on Super Protocol or elsewhere. Gmail credentials for sending email reports. These are securely stored and isolated inside the TEE. We will add those behind the scenes. This example workflow is simple, but demonstrates all the core ideas: image processing, data sanitization, AI analysis, and automated reporting. Here's how the workflow runs. The webhook trigger starts the workflow automatically when data is submitted via the web form. Data extraction pulls out the uploaded X-ray and metadata, the patient's ID, name, age, and clinical information, as well as the doctor's name and email address. Then, personal data is separated from diagnostic input. The AI model receives only the X-ray and symptom description necessary to generate a diagnostic result. This result is combined with the patient's personal data to form a medical report in text, HTML, or JSON. The latter may be needed to easily integrate the workflow with hospital systems or ERPs. The report is sent to the doctor's Gmail and also posted back to the web form endpoint. Let's quickly walk through the N8N's user interface. We've already seen the Workflows tab. It's where you build or import automation flows. Nodes in N8N are highly customizable and allow you to make API calls, respond to webhooks, and write any JavaScript in your workflow. In the Credentials tab, you can securely manage API keys and login details. In the Executions tab, you can view current and past runs, successes, errors, and debugging data. To debug, switch the workflow to inactive. Let's submit a sample form with a test X-ray. Watch each node execute step by step. We can inspect the inputs and outputs of each node: image, metadata, AI result, etc. Confirm that the form receives the response and the email arrives in the inbox. Everything works within a secure, confidential environment. To conclude, this solution easily adapts to other use cases: CT scans, MRIs, ECGs, and even lab tests in minutes. With N8N's Visual Builder, secured by Super Protocol's TEEs. No more choosing between functionality and privacy. Confidential AI made simple.